Juno and the Grumpy Drone. The rooftop garden hummed with the sound of wind and solar fans. Juno carefully tipped her watering can, giving a thirsty fern a cool drink. She wiped a smudge of grease from her teal arm and smiled. Suddenly, a screeching whistle pierced the air.
A rusty orange blur slammed into a tower of silver batteries, sending them chiming like bells. Crash! It was a drone, spinning wildly and coughing out acrid black smoke. It wasn't attacking, it was panicking. Juno took a step forward, but the drone snapped its metal claws. Clack, clack! It buzzed loudly, trying to look big and scary. Juno didn't back away, but she stopped moving. She knew that fear often looks like anger.
"I'm a mechanic," Juno said softly, her voice smooth like water. "And I think you're stuck." She pointed a finger. Deep inside the drone's spinning rotor, a gray, jagged pebble was wedged tight against a wire. The drone lowered its claws. It was tired of fighting. Juno reached out with her steady teal hand. "Hold still," she whispered. "This will only take a second." With a precise pinch, Juno snapped the pebble free. The smoke cleared instantly. Buzzy the drone chirped a happy rhythm and nuzzled against Juno's shoulder like a grateful cat. When gears get stuck and the lights go out, don't scream or stomp or begin to shout. Just look inside for a stone or grit and use your tools for the perfect fit. A grumpy friend with a noisy beep might just need rest and a bit of sleep. So fix the hurt and repair the part with steady hands and a gentle heart.